the fight against corruption, do Kenyans feel it's genuine? Is it working? Is it real? First of all, we asked them because it just happened. This is like last week, and everybody has been talking about the demolitions of buildings and structures. And you know, Governor Sonko, whose county has started, would perhaps be happy to hear this. So the question we asked is, do you support the ongoing demolition of buildings and structures built on road reserves and near rivers? Anything that's grabbed land. And 64% said yes, they support the ongoing demolitions.